Hey Tracy, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I got permission from Yaya to send over this video about how you can improve your online presence. So, taking a look at your website, you got a really nice site. You got your header, you got your logo, you got all your drop down menus, as well as your phone number, which is awesome, as well as down here as well. And then, of course, you go through, talk about a little about what you do, as well as the different floors that you have, and why and what you're all about. And then, of course, some great reviews, which are awesome. Then, of course, going through and you hit the bottom. So you got a lot of nice content, not a lot of words on this on your homepage though. So what Google is truly looking for on your homepage is about 1,500, 2,000 words throughout your homepage so that you can put organic keywords throughout that content. Now, what an organic keyword is a buyer intent word someone's putting into Google to find your services. But before we get deeper into that, let's check behind the scenes about your website. And the way we do that is with Ahrefs. So two things we look at are the UR rating, which is the strength of your site, and the DR rating, which is the trust Google places in your website. Now, ideally, we want both these numbers to be in between 30 and 40 with a ratio of 1 to 1. Now, the way we get that is with strong backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link that leads from another website back to yours. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. For example, a backlink from Wikipedia would be awful, but a backlink from a flooring blog would be great because it's relevant to your service. Now, another important thing are those organic keywords. What buyer intent words? Exit drawing. What buyer intent words are you ranking for? So let's check it out. So I gotta say, you're doing a really good job with this. AZ Hardwoods, Hardwood Flooring AZ. As far as your top ones, they're all Arizona in itself, which is great to rank for. I'm not sure if you do all of Arizona. I know you have a physical location as well as you have a mobile showroom, but Arizona's pretty big, especially if you're located out of Phoenix. So if you do service all of Arizona, these top keywords, you're killing it because you're on the front page. Could always get a little higher to be number one, but as you can see, you're still getting traffic from that. Then, of course, you're also ranking for Hardwood Flooring Phoenix and all the Phoenix specific keywords, which is awesome. So out of 200, you're getting 26 because you're in the second or third real position. So that's awesome. So there are still some keywords that you are missing that you can always add through. You can always just add content to try ranking for more keywords because the more keywords, the more people. So let's check what one of those keywords that you aren't ranking for. So flooring store Phoenix. I know you have a physical location, so this would be a great word, a great buyer intent word for you. So first you're going to have your ads, which are people that are paying to be front and center, and every time you click on them and go to their page, they would get charged. Then you have your GMB. Now, the Google Map Pack is super important to get on because 30 to 40% of all people will stop right here and pick one of these three people, just because that's the easiest thing to do. Then, of course, you're going to have your organic rankings by strength of website. So let's check your top competitor for this keyword, which is Floor Store AZ. So let's check it out. So the floor store. So they have a nice header as well. They have their click to call. They have their drop downs as well as their different flooring services, reviews, and they have a nice basic website. But let's check behind the scenes and see why they're number one. So when we put them in to Ahrefs, first of all, as you can see, they have 23 strength and they have a trust of 2.8. But as you can see here, they only have 334 backlinks, but this is where quality over quantity comes into effect. So it's not necessarily more the merrier. You want to have good, strong backlinks instead of a lot of backlinks. Well, you want to have a lot of good, strong ones, but if you can only get 334 good, strong ones, that's still going to help you more than 1,000 not. As well as you can see here, they're ranking for 902 buyer intent words. So let's check them out. So flooring store, very generic, as you can see, 40,000 people, because anyone who has Google can put that in. So flooring store Phoenix, out of 300 people, they're number one. They're getting 106 people just from that. Flooring store Phoenix, Flooring Stores Phoenix, same deal. They're number 2 or 3, getting 43. Flooring Stores in Phoenix. As you can see, they're just like you, where you were ranking for hardwood and you were in the top 2 or 3 and you were getting all those people. They're ranking for this flooring stores and they're getting all those people as well. So you're killing it right now with what you do have. What I would say is add a little bit more content to add those new buyer intent words in so that you can start getting more traffic because the more the merrier. As well as you can always beat out your competition. So what I would say is add a little more backlinks, and you know that these backlinks are treating them better than the 1,000 you have. So I would take these and add them to your website as well. So find out what good backlinks they have, add them to your own, and that'll help your strength and trust rating go up as well. Then, of course, you want to add that content so you can add those buyer intent words. Put those both together, you should start seeing more traffic through your site, even more than you already have. Now, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach back out to me. And if you can leave some feedback, that would be awesome.